Here you have some questions. Write true or false, and you have to write and get your homework check from me. Okay, animals are only living things can reproduce. It is the true or false you have to write. But in the last session, I had told to you reproduce. It is the process of living things can generate some new living things. Generates a new living things. Next question here have human beings are mammals. What is meant the mammals? Mammals means can reproduce their young ones. And mammals babies depends on the feed of mother's milk. Means human beings are mammals. You have to write the question of these answers. In mammals, the young one develops outside the mother bodies. In mammals, the young one means the babies develops outside the mother bodies. Okay, fish lays eggs on a tree. It is the true or false. You have to decide it. Crocodiles digs a hole in a sandy river banks to lay their eggs. If you have to read the more information about it, so you can see the information about the crocodiles, where the lays of crocodiles, because crocodiles mostly live in a water. So crocodile digs a hole in a sandy river banks to lay their eggs. You have to write the question of these answers. Now answer the following questions. Means we have to complete the line in the same way as above. What is the reproduction? So what is meant by the reproduction? Reproduction occurs in only living things. Okay, keep in your mind, reproduction occurs in only living things, and it is the process generates a new living things by itself. Generates new living things by itself. Have you seen anywhere the sparrow gives the birth to their young ones? No, because it is the two types of reproduction occurs in living things. First one, it is the lay eggs, and second one is the give birth to their young ones. Lay eggs, it is called as the oviparous, and give birth to their young ones, it is called as the viviparous. Okay, so reproduction is a process generates a new living things by itself. Means, for example, it is the human also can include. You can see your mother, because you are also born in your mother's by resemble like a her. Now second question here you have been giving, how do mammals reproduce? Okay, mammals, how do reproduce mammals? Mammals give to their babies of young ones. Mammals give birth to their young ones. Okay, how do mammals reproduce? Mammals gives birth to their young ones, and these young ones mostly feed on the mother's milk, like our parents. Now third question, it is the name the different layers of an egg. Now we have recently discussed about it. We have studied about it, the different layers of egg. For example, this is the egg. Okay, now we have here you have been asking different layers of eggs. We have seen now layers of chalaza, albumin, eggshells and yolk. Okay, this outermost part, it is called as the eggshell. Okay, the outermost part of egg, it is called as the eggshell, and eggshells are considered, it is the high essential rich source of vitamins, proteins, and it is the high cholesterol is present in the eggs. Okay, this is the yellow parts in egg is called as the yolk. Okay, yolk, and it is the two spiral binding, it is called as the chalaza. Okay, this chalaza is connected to the egg yolk. You can see here the spiral bindings are attached to or connected to the yolk. Okay, now this is the parts, it is the white outermost part of the white. Okay, you can see you are familiar with the eggs. This is the whiter part, it is called as the albumin. White part, it is called as the albumin. Okay, this albumin provides the food to the yolk. And now what is meant by the embryo? Okay, embryo, it is the most important part where the babies hatch out from the eggs, where baby hatch out from the eggs. So it is all about the different layers of an egg. Okay. Next one, it is the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, now I had just told you, it is the biological process. It is biological process in which animal goes to different form. Animal goes to different form. Before an adult. Where also goes to the different form. For example, first of all, we are the infancy stage, after that childhood, after that adolescence, old age, means we also goes to the different forms before an adult. Okay, now if you are watching this video, please subscribe this video, because all parents are looking only the question and answer, they are not subscribing. Now name 3 mammals and 3 animal lays eggs. We have to write first of all 3 mammals name, and after that 3 animal lays eggs. So without any further, we should write the answer. So first of all, 3 mammals are males give birth to their young ones. You can see in your surrounding like a dog, cat. Once again, you can see cow. Okay. It is an example of 3 mammals. Now 3 animal lays eggs. 3 animal lays eggs. It is an example of a bird, reptile. Reptile means snake, like this, reptiles. And third one, it is the crocodile. Okay, means 3 animal lays eggs. And which are the three animals are the mammals: dog, cat, cow, and bird, reptiles, crocodile. So we should stop here. Next chapter you will be sent soon. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Subscribe, and you must watch this video.